Now here is the hazardous weather outlook for the counties served by the National Weather Service office in Birmingham. For outlook through tonight, isolated severe thunderstorms will be possible across our northwest counties in central Alabama generally from 10 p.m. tonight through 6 a.m. Monday morning. A brief tornado and damaging winds to 60 miles per hour will be the main threats. Areas of heavy rain along and ahead of a cold front tonight may cause minor flooding in the far northwest counties of central Alabama. This may cause ponding of water in low-lying areas. Use caution for any travel overnight. Minor river flooding is expected across portions of the Tombigbee River Basin. Please refer to river flood statements for specific information. And now the extended outlook for the period Monday through Saturday. Minor river flooding along the Tombigbee River could last into midweek. Spotter information statement. Activation of storm spotters and emergency management may be needed tonight. Please follow all local, state, and CDC guidelines in regards to travel.
Rise is forecast to occur on the Tennessee River at Florence. Runoff from rainfall is expected to cause river levels to rise on the Tennessee River. Although it is not expected to reach flood stage, some nuisance flooding of lowlands may still occur. If additional rainfall occurs, the river could still reach flood stage. At 5 a.m. Sunday, the stage was 16.1 feet. Action stage is 16.0 feet. Flood stage is 18.0 feet. The river is forecast to rise to 16.1 feet by tomorrow morning. Persons with interests along the river should monitor the latest forecasts and be prepared to take necessary precautions to protect life and property from rising river levels. Rise is forecast to occur on the Big Nance Creek at Cortland. Runoff from rainfall is expected to cause river levels to rise rapidly on the Big Nance Creek. Although it is not expected to reach flood stage, some nuisance flooding of lowlands may still occur. If additional rainfall occurs, the river could still reach flood stage. At 8 a.m. Sunday, the stage was 10.6 feet. Action stage is 12.0 feet. Flood stage is 14.0 feet. The river is forecast to rise to 13.5 feet by early Tuesday afternoon. At 12.0 feet, the river overflows on County Road 150 about 3/4 of a mile upstream of the Gage site, south of Cortland. Persons with interests along the river should monitor the latest forecasts and be prepared to take necessary precautions to protect life and property from rising river levels. Flash flood watch now in effect from 6 p.m. Central Standard Time this evening through Monday morning. The flash flood watch is now in effect for portions of Alabama and southern Middle Tennessee, including the following areas in Alabama: Colbert, Franklin, Alabama, Jackson, Lauderdale, Lawrence, Limestone, Madison, and Morgan. In southern Middle Tennessee, Franklin, Tennessee, Lincoln, and more. From 6 p.m. Central Standard Time this evening through Monday morning, a cold front is forecast to move across the Tennessee Valley this evening, bringing widespread showers and thunderstorms and more heavy rainfall. An additional 1 to 3 inches of rain is expected, especially over much of northwest Alabama. The heavier rainfall is expected to begin late this evening and continue into Monday morning. Runoff from this heavy rainfall on an already wet ground will produce flash flooding. Rises in the water levels in area creeks, streams, and rivers are also likely. A flash flood watch means that conditions may develop that lead to flash flooding. Flash flooding is a very dangerous situation. You should monitor later forecasts and be prepared to take action should flash flood warnings be issued.